Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Em, and I'm glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for our well-being, especially if you're living with diabetes. We're talking about the power of a good night's sleep and how the right nighttime habits can make all the difference. Living with diabetes means being mindful of many things, and sleep is right up there on that list. It's not just about feeling rested, it's about giving our bodies the best chance to manage blood sugar levels and stay healthy. In this video, I'm sharing my top 8 nighttime habits that can help you sleep better and keep those blood sugar levels in check. So, whether you're new to the diabetes journey or have been managing it for a while, stick around for some practical tips that can make a real difference in your life. Let's kick things off with our first nighttime habit, focusing on what we eat before bed. Indulging in a big meal late at night can cause blood sugar spikes. Your body works overtime to digest, disrupting your sleep. This leaves you feeling sluggish in the morning. Opt for a lighter, earlier meal. It helps keep blood sugar levels stable overnight. If hunger strikes, choose healthy, low-carb snacks. Think almonds, cucumber with hummus, or Greek yogurt. Small, balanced choices lead to better sleep and a healthier start to your day. Now let's talk about the magic of exercise. We all know it's good for us, but for those of us managing diabetes, it's not just beneficial, it's essential. Think of exercise as a superhero power that helps regulate blood sugar, improves how our bodies respond to insulin, and even lowers the risk of those pesky diabetes-related complications. The key here is consistency. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy gym membership or hours to spare. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, brisk walking, dancing, swimming, cycling, and make them a part of your routine. Even breaking up your exercise into shorter bursts throughout the day can make a difference. Remember, it's not about pushing yourself to the limit. It's about finding enjoyable ways to move your body regularly. And the bonus? Exercise can even promote better sleep. This next habit might seem like a no-brainer, but it's crucial for a reason. Taking your diabetes medication as prescribed by your doctor is non-negotiable. Think of your medication as a vital part of your nighttime routine, just like brushing your teeth or washing your face. Consistency is key when it comes to managing blood sugar levels effectively. Your doctor has carefully chosen a medication plan tailored to your specific needs, so sticking to it is essential for keeping those blood sugar levels in check throughout the night. If you ever have questions about your medication, its dosage, or any potential side effects, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor or pharmacist. They're your partners in this journey and are always there to provide guidance and support. Remember, managing diabetes is a team effort, and open communication with your healthcare providers is paramount. Let's talk about becoming best friends with our blood sugar levels. Monitoring your blood sugar is like having a superpower that allows you to understand your body's patterns and make informed decisions. Think of it like checking the fuel gauge in your car. You wouldn't want to hit the road on empty, right? Before you slide under the covers and again when you wake up, take a moment to check your blood sugar levels. This simple habit provides valuable insights into how your body manages glucose throughout the night and into the morning. By tracking these levels, you can start to see patterns and make adjustments to your routine as needed. Maybe you'll notice that a certain bedtime snack keeps your levels more stable, or perhaps you'll discover that a bit more evening activity makes a difference. Knowledge is power. And when it comes to managing diabetes, understanding your blood sugar patterns is incredibly empowering. Now let's transform your bedroom into a sleep sanctuary, a peaceful oasis where restful slumber comes easily. Think about what helps you unwind after a long day. Is it a warm bath with soothing aromatherapy oils, curling up with a captivating book, or perhaps listening to calming music or a guided meditation? Incorporate these relaxing rituals into your bedtime routine. This signals to your body and mind that it's time to wind down, promoting better sleep and more balanced blood sugar levels throughout the night. Experiment with different activities and find what works best for you. Maybe a calming cup of herbal tea does the trick, or perhaps a gentle yoga flow helps quiet your mind. The key is to create a consistent routine that helps you transition smoothly from your busy day into a peaceful night's rest. Remember, a restful sleep is an investment in your overall well-being, and creating a relaxing bedtime routine is a powerful way to prioritize your health. Let's talk about setting the stage for sound sleep. Our bodies thrive on darkness, and creating a sleep environment that embraces this natural rhythm can work wonders for both our sleep quality and blood sugar management. Start by making sure your bedroom is a haven of darkness. Invest in blackout curtains or blinds to block out any streetlights or early morning sun. Next, minimize noise distractions. Consider using a white noise machine, a fan, or earplugs to create a peaceful auditory environment. If your phone tends to ping with notifications throughout the night, switch it to silent mode or place it face down on your nightstand. Temperature also plays a role in sleep quality. A slightly cool room, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, is ideal for most people. By optimizing your bedroom for darkness, quiet, and a comfortable temperature, you're creating an environment that promotes deep, restful sleep, the kind of sleep that allows your body to focus on regulating blood sugar levels effectively. And let's be mindful of what we consume before bedtime. Evening coffee or a nightcap can disrupt sleep and blood sugar levels. Caffeine in coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate can interfere with sleep. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening. Alcohol might help you drift off but disrupts sleep cycles. Opt for herbal tea or water instead. Prioritizing sleep is key to managing diabetes effectively. Let's talk about the importance of prioritizing sleep, a vital aspect of our well-being that often gets pushed aside in our busy lives. Getting enough sleep is not a luxury but a necessity, especially when it comes to managing diabetes effectively. Most adults thrive on 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows our bodies to rest, repair, and regulate essential functions, including blood sugar control. Think of sleep as a time when your body goes into repair mode, fine-tuning its systems and restoring balance. When we shortchange ourselves on sleep, we disrupt this delicate equilibrium, potentially leading to blood sugar spikes, increased insulin resistance, and other health challenges. Make a conscious effort to prioritize sleep by establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and optimizing your sleep environment. Your body will thank you for it. So there you have it, my top 8 nighttime habits for better sleep and healthier blood sugar levels. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you're setting the stage for more restful nights and brighter mornings. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, not a race. It's about making sustainable, healthy choices that support your overall well-being, and prioritizing sleep is a powerful step in the right direction. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Sweet dreams, and I'll see you in my next video.